Working principle behind this application. Let us consider a girl named X distress and deliver the signal as an SMS to the control center. Another SMS will be sent to the nearest police station and also to the emergency contacts like friends and family defined by the user. And also a circular red colored panic button in the middle of the screen. We can double press the panic button to save.
This will help make Meghalaya safe for women and children. It provides safety for those who are studying in Meghalaya, working here, staying alone in PGs, hostels in remote areas, those who have to travel at odd hours for work, children who may be at sometimes with limited parental supervision as parents have to go to work. So I would encourage all to download this application, fill in the limited registration details that are required, and understand the working of the app so that you are ready when you are in a challenging situation and so that you are confident that help will arrive.
Emphasize the launching of this app and the reasons and the facilities which the app will offer to women in distress, and not only to women in distress but the families of those women in distress. Thank you very much, and I'm sure we are looking to address a very long-felt need. I know that a lot of our friends in the media have time and again reported the increased crimes against women and the fact that that there is something lacking in our response towards it. We hope that by the launching of this app, we will be able to address the time lag. We will be able to address the issues more efficiently, more adequately, and ensure that it is not just the response, the immediate response, but also the subsequent response, the investigation into the case, the steps that we take to alleviate the distress of women in any situation. We hope that, with the presence of our friends from the media, this launching of this app will go a long way in addressing that problem. I would also like to state that this is something that has been thought about not only here, but after what Dalton had mentioned, after the Nabhaya gang rape in 2012, we have had various other state police launching various apps. We are happy that we are here in Meghalaya. We've been able to work together with the partner who developed the app and are able to launch the app today.